right, it is another cold morning in Georgia. Officially, it's 28 degrees this morning, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to run down here mid-December and check on the hive heaters. I have to be careful because I've got the night shot working on this camera, but I can't see a thing, so I don't want to trip and hit anything. Alright, looks like the red hive is doing good. 70.4 degrees. The yellow hive is doing good. 70.3 degrees. Those girls are warm. Come down here and take a look at the white hive. That is 68.6 and heating. This, I believe, is the blue hive, and it is 68.1 and heating. Let's go check on Juno without tripping. Juno is 69.7 and heating. That heater's about to go off. And the purple hive, 68.7 and heating. So these bees are in pretty good shape, considering it's 28 degrees outside. 67.8 in the pink hive. And 66.6 and heating in the sage hive. That's kind of ominous. Maybe we should look at the other side. 67.9. That's scary. We'll look at 67.9 in the sage hive. Alright, and there you have it. Another cold morning in Georgia. But these hives are doing exactly what they're supposed to do. They are keeping the bees warm and toasty. So I have to say I'm pleased. I will come back today after work and verify that the hive pillows are working. I'm sure they are. But you haven't seen the hive pillows yet. You'll see those on Friday. Have a great morning and a beautiful day. I'll see you next time. Be happy.